This is another example of integration by parts using a shortcut that I showed in my video entitled this. If you just type it in the search box, it will appear, and it is at 11 minutes and 35 seconds. So I'm just going to show you another example of how to use a shortcut for finding integration by parts in some special cases. All right. So as I indicated, this method will work in special cases where we have x to the power n as one factor, where a is a positive integer, and the second factor is either e to the x, or we have say sine bx dx, or with cosine. Okay, so, and again, n has to be a positive integer. Okay, greater than or equal to 1, say. So what we are going to do is that we are going to just review the same technique on something like, say, x cubed e to the negative 2x, integrating that. So you can just go ahead and use the integration by parts step by step, or a shortcut is this, and the basic principle of the shortcut is that x to the cube, it disappears, you know, in a few steps after when you start differentiating it, and integration of this portion just keeps repeating in a pattern. Okay, so what we would do is that we shall write x to the third here, e to the negative 2x here, and then differentiate x to the 3 and integrate this. When you take the antiderivative using integration by substitution, sorry about my handwriting, that's what this becomes, right? And then the next portion will become 6x, and again repeating the same procedure on e to the negative 2x, we get e to the negative 2x, and then negative 2, another factor will come downstairs, then integrate it again, so you get a 6, and here you get e to the negative 2x again, and this time what we will have is negative 2 times negative 2 and another negative 2 coming in, so that will be negative 8. Then the derivative of 6 is 0, and that's where we are almost done. So here we have sorry about that, so here we have e to the negative 2x, and another negative 2 will come in the denominator because of substitution. So negative 2 times negative 8 will become a 16. So now we would do this, combine them diagonally via multiplication. Okay, and our pattern will be this: sign of this term will be plus, this would be minus, then plus, and then minus. So once we do that, what we get this integral as, that x cube e to the negative 2x over negative 2. I can put that negative sign here. Okay, and then you have negative, negative, and this negative, they all together would be negative. Okay, all right, so negative, negative, negative is negative again, so you get this, and then you get what, 3x square, 3x square comes in from here, e to the negative 2x, that comes in from here. Okay, and divided by how much? Just 4. And here we have negative and positive combining again. So we will have a negative sign again. Okay. And then this would be 6x e to the negative 2x divided by 8. And then eventually you have again plus here and a minus here, so that will also be a minus. Okay, so you get what? You get 6 times e to the negative 2x over 16 and then plus a constant. I'm not reducing all this, but that's how you would do this via this shortcut. So let me know if you have any questions on this.